the previous video session, I explained about the searching concept, right? What is searching? Searching is nothing but whether you are checking whether the particular element is present in the array or not. There are two types of search. One is linear search, another one is binary search. The linear search is otherwise called as sequential search. From the first element to the last element, it will check one by one. That is sequential search or linear. Then what's the difference between linear and binary? Binary means the whole array is divided into two. The linear search, it will check each and everything, but here the whole array is divided into two. That's what we say, it is a binary chop or half interval check or half interval search. These are the other name for binary search. Half interval search, binary chop. Yes, it is divided into two. Then the particular target element or the particular search element is checked with the compared with the middle element. If it is not equal to the middle element, then the one of whether the target element is not lies will be eliminated. So the whole array is divided into two. Then the search element or the target element is compared with the middle element. By checking the middle only we can able to split two, right? So first of all we are finding the mid. Then we are split it into two. Then we are comparing the target element with the mid. Suppose if your target element is in the left side of the array, means right side will be eliminated. Suppose your target element is in the right side, means left side will be eliminated. So one half will be eliminated. Then in the another half again we are finding the mid and we are comparing. Like that the search element or target element will be compared with middle element and it will eliminated the other elements. Okay, this is the way the binary search will work. So in the binary search, few important things you have to know before writing the program. Okay, consider this is the array 6, 12, 17, 23, 38, 45, 77, 84, 90. This is the array. The starting in 0, the starting index I am consider as first element and the last index I am consider as the last index is last. Okay, so this is the first, this is the last. How to find the middle? First plus last divided by 2. These are the formula. First plus last. So 0 plus 8 whole divided by 2. This is mid. So 8 divided 2 4s are 8. So 4 is mid. So where is 4? This is the mid. So mid is 4. That means A of 4 means that is 38. 38 is the middle element. Consider my search element is 45. Consider my search element is 45. It will check whether 38 is equal to 45. That's the thing. See, first condition, if these three conditions I am going to check. S equal to mid means element is present. S greater than mid means, if S is greater than mid means I want to make the first element here. Suppose it is less than this means I want to make the last element here. This is the rule. Three condition. One is search element greater than mid. Second one is search element less than mid. Third one is search element equal to mid. So suppose search element greater than mid. This is the first condition, right? So what is search element? 45. 45 greater than 38, right? So what will happen? In the list, this portion will be eliminated. The elements which is present in the left side, because your target is in the right side. And one more very important thing here is, your element should be in the ascending order. For the binary search, your element should be in the sorted order, ascending order. Otherwise your binary search won't work. That's the reason I given the element in the ascending order. Okay, so once the elements are arranged in the ascending order, the target element is either less than mid or greater than mid. Okay, so here the target is greater than mid. So the lesser parts will be eliminated. So now how it will be eliminated? This condition is true means first equal to mid plus 1. Now what will happen? Here first is here, right? First is mid plus 1 means 38. This 4. Mid is nothing but 4. 4 plus 1. So 4 plus 1 means you will get 5. Now first is 5 and the last is 8. So now 45, 77, 84, 90. So this is first, this is last. 0, 1, 2, 3. Again you have to find the mid. Mid equal to, now what is first? What is first? Don't arrange the elements like that. You have to take the same index. Okay. So what's the index of 45? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the first, this is the last. So now mid equal to 5 plus 8. How much? 13. 13 divided by 2. You will get 6.5 something. So you have to take 6. Now mid is 77. A of mid is 6. Okay. A of mid is 77. Again the second condition I am checking. If search element is less than mid. What's the search element? Search element is 45. 45 less than 77. Condition is true. If condition is true means last equal to mid minus 1. So what will happen? Now this last is coming here. What is mid? Already mid is 6. So 6 minus 1 you will get 5. So now the other parts will be eliminated. This part will be eliminated. So now the index is 45. Okay. So this is first, this is last and this is mid. Okay. So what's the index? 5. So now if S equal to mid, third condition. What is search element? 45. What is mid here? 45. 5 plus 5. Here the index is 5, right? 5 plus 5 divided by 2. So 10 by 2. You will get 5. This is the mid. So element found. Element found. All of you understood the logic. So it should be written inside the loop. How? From the first element to last element I want to check. So while first less than equal to last. The first element can reach till this. After that no elements are there, right? So while first less than equal to last. Now I will write the program. First I included the header files, starting position of your program, and declare all the variables I required. Array, then for loop I required I, then this is the n value, size of the array, then last, first, mid, search element. Okay. So this is the array I am going to get. Okay. Totally 9 elements, right? Okay. So printf. First I am getting the size of the array. Size of array. Okay. Here how many elements I am taking? 9 elements. So scanf, get the input. Scanf percentage %d, comma, ampersand n. 9 elements total. Okay. So I got the input for this n. That is size. Totally 100 bytes was 100 blocks was allocated. In that I am going to take 9 elements. Now I want to get the input for the array. For array I can't able to give the inputs at a time. One by one only I have to give. So I have to use many scanf. Instead of that I am going for a for loop. For I equal to 0. Starting index 0. So I started with 0. I less than n. I plus plus. Inside I am getting the input for array. Scanf percentage D, comma, address of A of I. Till this, all the array concepts programs are same. So first initially, what's the I value? 0. So you are getting the input integer value for A of 0. A of 0 is 6. Please remember, always you have to give the inputs in the ascending order. Then after completing this, I plus plus. So now I value equal to 1. So A of 1 you are giving 12. Again I plus plus. A of 2 you are giving 17. Again I plus plus. A of 3 you are giving 23. Again I plus plus. Like that you completed these elements. So this is your array 6, 12, 17, 23, 38, 45, 77, 84, 90. This is the array you got. Now what's the next step? Search. I need the search element. So get the input for search element. Printf. Enter search element. Using scanf get the input. Scanf percentage D, comma, ampersand S. Here for example my search element is 45. Okay. Now I am going to start the binary search logic. So while first, so before that I want to declare what is first. So first equal to 0. Okay, I am initializing at first the first equal to 0. Similarly last equal to n minus 1. What is n? 9. 9 minus 1 8. As the index started from 0, we have to give n minus 1 till 8. Now I am starting mid of while first less than equal to last. This is the loop. What's the first value now? 0. What's the last value? 8. Condition is true. Once this condition is true, I want to find mid value. Mid first plus last divided by 2. What is first plus last? 0 plus 8 divided by 2. So the mid is 4. Now what's the mid value? Mid is 4. Now I am going to check these three conditions. If search greater than mid. What is search element? 45. If 45 greater than, what is mid element? 4. In the fourth index, this is the array. Okay, what is the array? 6, 12, 17, 23, 38, 45, 77, 84, 90. 0 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which one is mid? This is the mid. 4. Mid is 4 now. So what is present in the 4? 38. Whether the condition is true or false. 45 is greater than mid 38. So condition is true. So what we have to do? We have to skip this side. How we have to skip? We have to bring the first element here. So first equal to mid plus 1. Now what's the first element? Already mid is 4. So now first is 5. F is 5. Okay. Second condition, here it's else if, right? Else if S equal to mid. Okay. Now you are having the array 38. First is here, right? Fifth element is 5, right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. So 45, 77, 84, 90. Okay. So now s equal to mid, again it will calculate the mid, right? If this condition is false, it will come here. So s equal to mid, again condition is false. Now what is mid? Now first 5 plus 8, 13 divided by 2, you will get 6.5. now this is the mid. So condition false, s equal to mid, condition is false. So if this condition is true, means printf element found. Actually this condition is false, so it won't work. Okay, once this condition at first this condition is true, so again it will go to the loop, again it will calculate the mid. Now the mid is 77, element found in percentage d comma I am just printing the position. Okay, not I, right? Mid. Okay, what is mid? This index, right? So I am printing mid. If element is found, if this condition is true, means okay. Then the third condition, else what's the condition? Last equal to mid minus 1. Okay, so at first this condition is true, so what will happen? It will change the first value and go back. Now again, which one is mid? Now again the mid is 77, so 45 greater than 77, condition false, it won't execute. Again 45, sorry students, here one small modification, not mid, a of mid. Mid means it will take the index. Here we have to take a of mid, that is in the array mid element. Okay, if you give the mid means, what will happen? It will take only index. Now a of mid means only it's 77. In the a, which one is mid? A of mid means 77. Okay, so here 45 equal to 77, condition false, so it will come here. Now what will happen? We have to bring, this is last, this is first, last equal to mid minus 1, so it will come here. So what will happen? At last 45 is here, the index is 5, this is the first, this is the last. Okay, so how you calculate the mid? Again we have to, after completing this, again mid will be calculated, right? So 5 plus, after completed this, again it will go, so mid, so 5 plus 5 divided by 2, you will get 5. Now the mid is 5, now the mid is 5. So now what is mid? Mid is 5. So s equal to, what is s? 45. S is 45 and greater than a of mid 45, condition is false. Again here, so false means it will come to the next part. Here also 45 equal to 45, condition true, so it will print element found in mid. What is mid? Mid is 5. So element is found in the position 5, the min value position is 5. Okay, so how the output will, now I want to print it, right? Now I want to print it, so write the if condition. If first greater than last, if first is greater than last, okay, printf when the element is not found. If the first value is greater than the last, means element is not present in the array. So I am checking condition, if first is greater than last, after checking the loop, the first is greater than last means element not found. element not found. All of you got it. So how you write the output here? At first size of array, that is 9. Then you have to getting the array element 6, 12, 17, 23, 38, 45, 77, 84, 90. These are the array inputs. Then search element s equal to 45. Search element s equal to 45. Then it will display enter search element. You are giving 45. Okay. Then you will get the output element found. Element found in index 5. Element found in 5th position. Okay. All of you understood? First I declared the array, then I get the array inputs, then I am getting the search element, then I am starting the while loop from first to last, finding the mid. First condition, it will check if this condition is true. After completing this, it will go back. Again it will find the mid. If this condition is false means else if. If this is true, it will print element not found. Again, otherwise it will go back and find the mid. Then it will check one by one. If this is false, then this will be work. Okay. If here whenever the search element is equal to mid, then element found. When the element is not found, if the first value is greater than, okay, your while loop ended here, right? Okay, this is the while loop ended. If the first loop is greater than the last element, then print element not found. I hope you understand this concept, student. Thank you.